Eric again from Martin Exteriors. We got called out to this gentleman's house today due to a windstorm that came through just a few weeks ago, claiming he had some fascia metalwork that got ripped off his house, and we're about to go around the corner here and take a look. We have some pretty seriously damaged fascia here. White fascia. Stuff like this happens all the time. We get calls like this throughout the winter. You know, get close up, make sure that everything looks good. If you find something that doesn't look right, that you need to get addressed, you know, give us a call. This gentleman's gonna be getting taken care of here in the next week or so. I'm gonna go ahead and order up the material, get it started, and get my repair guy out here to get this thing care of.